How to use or install Cloud Code in Docker. So what you'll have to do is, first of all, you might want to go into your Docker desktop app and then make sure you're signed in or you logged in. So from there, what you'll have to do is, in order to integrate Cloud, you can simply go to the MCP toolkit right here. And then once you go to the MCP toolkit, what you can do is you can simply find the My Servers catalog clients and zero authentication. So simply go to the clients option where you can find different clients like Cloud Code. So once you go to the clients here, you can see connect your MCP client. You can simply go ahead and set up any MCP client to the MCP toolkit of Docker. So here you can simply see Cloud Code and Cloud Desktop. So if you've got the Cloud Code downloaded in your PC or in your browser, what you can do is you can simply connect it. You can set up the Cloud Code to connect to the MCP toolkit directly from here because Cloud Code and Cloud Desktop is like integrated to the environment from the system of the Docker. So you might not need to do it externally like you used to do for other AI or other chats. So the Cloud Code and Cloud Desktop is basically inbuilt in the Docker, and that's how you go to integrate them. So once you can simply connect it, and you can uh, do is you can connect with one of the pre-configured MCP clients as well. So that would be your Cloud Code. So once you connect it, it provides you global and project parameters. So you can simply follow these prompts that it provides and you can simply connect. So according to your wish, you can select either global or project and simply press and connect. So once you press and connect, it reads client connected to MCP toolkit to continue restart the client. So basically you'll have to restart the Docker desktop, and then your Cloud will be integrated to your Docker. So basically that's the way. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you.